Is crypto over? Should you buy back that house you sold to buy more crypto? That's what we're going to be answering in this content today. If you guys want more content like this, I just spilled my laptop with water. But today we're going to be looking at everything that's happening in crypto news today. Definitely not a good start of the week, guys. We had so many good weeks, but obviously the fun comes to an end. Just like being the last person at a party, that's exactly what we're seeing with crypto right now. We are basically the last people at the after party of crypto. See basically these price drops and thinking, oh, why did I cash in profits? While the whales are laughing at us, the big whales, the top 1% is basically joking and taking all the profit while dumping their Solana bags. And that's exactly what we're seeing right now. But it's not too problematic. It's not too problematic because in the long term, crypto definitely has a massive bull run. One of the whales sold about $200 billion. $200 billion. Let that sink in. That's a lot of money. Definitely. But that being said, it's not to cry. It's not to start crying. It's about thinking a broader future. I think that's the important factor. Jim Cramer, Bitcoin can be killed and is here to stay. And exactly when Jim Cramer says something, it starts to crash.
That Bitcoin's
this was a top. This was literally a top.
Here to stay. I'm just kidding. But honestly, if you're asking me my opinion on this market, is this scary? Is the ETF going to be approved or not? Is it time to sell, to buy back later? First of all, nothing has changed, right? We're talking about one company having a rumor that maybe the ETF.
So yeah, sometimes in crypto it's so volatile that a rumor could end up crashing the market. We heard that with like people in 2018 buying Bitcoin articles, whale sponsoring articles because they had short positions because crypto markets were so small. I definitely think there's still a lot of chance for potential bull run in that sense. There's definitely going to be opportunity. And I don't think it's over at all.
Doesn't get approved. I don't care what anyone says. I honestly don't even care that much if the ETF is approved right now or if it's approved in a month or 2 months.
It doesn't matter in the long term. I don't think it matters at all, like what happens with the ETF, in my opinion. What really matters is where is crypto going to be in the near future. I think that's what matters in the end. Like what's going to happen with crypto in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. That's going to be the real possibility of crypto price runs on this channel. We're going to keep you up to date with that, but right now, there's still a ton of potential really to see like major price changes, major price growths, all of that. That's where I really think there's still going to be a market improvement.
It doesn't affect my long-term view on crypto. It doesn't affect my long-term view on Bitcoin or Solana. It just gives me better buying in prices.
Exactly. So we kind of expected this drop. I did kind of expect it. Like these huge price pumps, they come at a price. They don't just go up and up and up. And I think it's important to matter that. Like sometimes cryptos do grow down as well. And I think that's a very normal factor. Like I think a lot of people are thinking, this is good, this is fine. And I think this is where the big problems come in for crypto is like a lot of people think, yeah, we might be seeing more of these pumps, but in reality, we're seeing exactly that, like crypto basically going down in that sense. Like right now it's going down, but that doesn't mean it will go down the whole of January. That doesn't mean it will go down every single time. And there's still probably most opportunities in the market to see like price hikes, price rises. So I'm not too much worried about that in the long-term sense. I think in the short term, though, it's going to be problematic for sure because what we are seeing right now is crypto basically taking a huge dip, and we're seeing this historically happen all the time. So it's not that big of a problem. If you guys want more content like this, smash that like button.